Hello students! Here I am again to continue our lesson for Module 2 of Business Mathematics. Now, let's proceed to the second part of our lesson. Next operation is multiplication of fractions. So to multiply fractions, we simply get the product of the numerators and denominators and reduce if possible. So in short, multiply the numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. But make sure that your denominator is not equal to 0. So for example number 1, we have 3 over 5 times 3 over 10. Applying the step, multiply the numerator by the numerator. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Example number 2. The given is 5 over 6 times 3 over 7. Applying the steps, multiply the numerator by the numerator, we have 5 times 3 equals 15. And denominator by the denominator, we have 6 times 7 equals 42. Reduce if possible, we have 15 over 42 will become 5 over 14. And for the last example, we have 27 over 20 times 30 over 9. Numerator by the numerator, we have 810. Denominator by the denominator, we have 180. And express your answer in lowest term, we have 9 over 2. Para mas madali ang pag-simplify kapag mataas na numbers ang given sa fraction, pwede natin kunin yung common factors ng numerator at ng denominator. This will reduce the fraction into lowest terms. Get the factors of the fractions. So 27 will become 9 times 3 over 10 times 2 times 10 times 3 over 9. So we can now cancel the common factors between the numerators and denominators, but we need to take note of this. We can only cancel a numerator against denominator. So kung mapapansin nyo, ang 9 sa numerator, makakancel lang siya sa 9 sa denominator. Also, ang 10 sa denominator, makakancel lang siya sa 10 sa numerator. Then, copy and multiply the remaining numbers. Sa numerator, ang natirang numbers are 3 times 3. Then for the denominator, ang natirang number is 2. So 3 times 3 is 9, then copy 2. In this way, we can only reduce the numbers without affecting the value. So kahit anong process yung gamitin nyo, we still have the same answer. Next is division of fractions. Okay, so para mag-divide ng fractions, the first step is to get the reciprocal of the divisor. So example, kung ang given divisor is C over D, the reciprocal will become D over C. Then, after getting the reciprocal of the divisor, change the operation division to multiplication. Then, follow the steps on how to multiply fractions. For the first example, we have 12 over 17 divided by 3 over 34. Again, the first step is to get the reciprocal of the divisor. So 3 over 34 will become 34 over 3. Then follow the steps on how to multiply fractions. So ang ginamit dito is yung method number 2, which is get the common factors of the numerator and the denominator. Cancel the same numbers. So we can cancel 3 and 3 sa numerator against the denominator, then 17. So ang natira lang po, 4 times 2 over 1, or simply 8. Therefore, the quotient for the fraction 12 over 17 and 3 over 34 is 8. For the second example, we have 21 over 25 divided by 7 over 20. So again, first step is get the reciprocal of the divisor. We have 20 over 7. And then, from division, it will become multiplication. So, cancel the common factors between the numerators and the denominator. So, we can cancel 7 for the numerator against the denominator, and then 5 for the denominator against the numerator. Multiply the remaining numbers. 3 times 4 will become 12. Then, we have 5. So, the answer is 12 over 5. Take note, the answer is an improper fraction. Therefore, it will become a mixed number, and the answer is 2 and 2 over 5. So, that means the quotient of the fractions 21 over 25 and 7 over 20 is 2 and 2 over 5. To end the second part of this video, you can now answer exercise 2.2 on your module.
Happy learning at home with lessons made easy by Olivarian GoTeach. One proud Olivarian.